Right, electric scooters and motorbikes gaining ground across major cities in Pakistan as rising inflation pushes commuters to seek more affordable transport options.
The trend has picked up pace following steep increases in fuel prices driven by volatility in global oil markets and ongoing tensions in the Middle East. Local companies are turning to Chinese technology and components to expand Pakistan's emerging electric two-wheeler market. Here, Mustafa found this report for CNA from Islamabad.
For Misbah Yunus, the route to work has not changed. But in the past few months, the cost of getting there had. That's why she says she made the switch from a petrol-powered car to an electric scooter.
पेट्रोल की कीमत दिन ब दिन बढ़ती जा रही थी, जिसकी वजह से मुझे जो है वो इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटी की बहुत ज़रूरत थी और मतलब मेरी अगर जितनी पे है मैं उसमें अफोर्ड नहीं कर पा रही थी पेट्रोल को। अब इससे मेरा ये हो गया है कि मेरा जो बजट है वो सेविंग की तरफ चला गया है और जो मेरे आने जाने का जो पेट्रोल का ख़र्चा था वो मेरा कम हो गया।
Misbah is part of a wider shift. Dealers say two-wheeler EVs are drawing more interest from office workers, students and delivery riders, especially after recent fuel price shocks. The changing consumer behavior is being felt at EV Electric, a Lahore-based company that assembles electric bikes.
The inconsistency in the world economy and the things going bad and supply chain problems, all of those things are definitely leading towards the trend towards the EV side. In our country, for a normal bike, if you drive like 50 kilometers a day, it will cost around 400 rupees, which is like $1.5. But if I talk about the EV, it's just going to take $0.5 of your electricity.
Like much of Pakistan's EV industry, the electric two-wheeler sector relies on Chinese technology, parts and expertise. Market players say that is helping local companies scale up more quickly.
We have full of experience in this industry. To talk about Pakistan, actually, we are not talking about marketing side. We're talking about manufacturing, R&D, and service, those kind of things. So I think we have full of confidence to shift this experience, which has been learned in the last 30 years, to Pakistan.
Pakistan depends heavily on imported fuel, and that means the shift to electric bikes has wider economic implications. Motorcycles and auto rickshaws reportedly account for about 40% of the country's petrol consumption. Pakistan wants EVs to make up 30% of new vehicle sales by 2030 as part of its efforts to cut fuel imports and reduce emissions. But experts say a stronger policy support may be needed to accelerate that transition.
Government can provide some capital incentives to the households because EV is expensive, still expensive. They require a lot of capital investment upfront. So government can provide some hedge, and it will return benefit the government as well because it will decrease the import dependence of Pakistan.
Still, industry executives say the savings on daily travel are pushing more commuters to consider making the switch.
Even with limited charging infrastructure and higher upfront costs, electric scooters are becoming more visible on Pakistan's city roads. Dealers say lower running costs are hard to ignore, especially for commuters hit by every increase at the petrol pump. For now, the road to wider adoption may still be uneven, but the rise in fuel prices have given Pakistan's electric two-wheeler market fresh momentum. For CNA, I'm Hira Mustafa in Islamabad.